Welcome back to Carolina News. I'm Will Volk. Currently in Columbia, 76 degrees, humidity is 58%, winds coming out of the southeast at 3 miles per hour, and it's partly cloudy here in the capital city. We're going to tell you about Hurricane Delta now. We've been talking about it all show. Look at this thing. Category 4 hurricane, winds of 140 miles per hour, the pressure 956 millibars, currently moving west-northwest at 16 miles per hour. We're going to look at the forecast cone on this thing straight from the National Hurricane Center. And that cone, when we see it, will show you that Delta is moving towards Cancun. There it is. So here's the center of circulation, and they have it actually making landfall in Mexico as a major hurricane tomorrow morning. And then after that, it's going to move through the Gulf of Mexico and then possibly make landfall here in Louisiana as a hurricane this weekend, either Friday night or Saturday morning. Now after that, it'll move inland as a remnant low, and that's where it could get interesting for us. Remember, this cone shows where the center could be. So that means if the center tracks to the west, we're not going to see that many impacts. But if it tracks to the east, that brings that center really close to Columbia, South Carolina. And if that happens, we would see a lot. So we're going to keep an eye on Delta for the rest of the week for sure. But let's tell you what's going on right now here in the state of South Carolina. It is 76 degrees here in Columbia. Just really 70s all over. It's a nice day here in the Palmetto State. Let's show you our lows for tonight. It's going to get down to the low 60s here in Columbia, really 60s all over the state except for the upstate. It's going to be in the mid-50s in Greenville and Rock Hill. We're looking at tomorrow's highs. It's going to warm up. It's going to be in the mid-80s, high of 85 here in Columbia tomorrow. And now let's look at that 5-day forecast. Warm the rest of the week in the 80s, 85, 86, 82. Saturday and Sunday, not exactly sure what's going to happen yet. We're tracking Delta. That's why you see this picture. I've got sun, clouds, rain, lightning. One of those things is bound to happen this weekend. That's it for now. I'm going to send it back to y'all.